Kwakutunda ngasvikana niko, kwamrewa ndakasvikana niko, kawedza ndakagara naniko, chimwenga ndakarwaona niko, chimwenga ndakarwaona George. Kwakutunda ngasvikana niko, kwakutunda ngasvikana George, chimwenga ndakarwaona niko, chimwenga ndakarwaona George. Oh, chimwenga.
The last 2 days on the rural Zimbabwe leg of our time here in Zimbabwe. The first day we spent it at Ubuntu Learning Village and Free School, and today we're spending it at the Zinyemba family village where my family comes from.
Welcome to our school. We are happy you are here. We are excited to share our culture with you. We recite poetry, play Mbira and marimba together, and show you our traditional dances. Let's dance and get fun. Thanks.
Right back.
We had the pleasure of visiting Ubuntu Free School and Learning Village located in Gutu, Zimbabwe. We got to see the incredible work being done to provide children in the area with free education and opportunities to take part in Mbira and marimba lessons and other exciting programs. The school was founded by Toronto-based Mbira player Rhinos Mutamba. His wonderful family welcomed us into their village home, where we ate together, exchanged stories, and played music.
See school kids performing for us, which was magical. It was just, I've never experienced anything like that. Like, you see these things on TV, but they're largely like, oh, okay, that's cool. But then to experience it is just, I can't really put it in words. I'm going to paraphrase the chief. He said, the more words you use, the less meaning.
I really enjoyed seeing what they've done at Ubuntu in terms of the artwork on the huts and the houses, the cultural programming that they have, and seeing how it's grown. I'd heard about it for some time, but seeing it grow and seeing the resources they have in terms of the teachers, the expertise. My favorite experience was watching the drumming. I didn't participate in the drumming, but I was watching it and picking up a few things. There was a drum workshop in the morning, and also Mbira playing in the evening, playing with so many people. For me, that's great because I often play alone, maybe with one other person when I'm in Edmonton. So
It has been really wonderful to be out here in Gutu District to experience the ways Mbira music might have been played prior to or without electric instruments by just community members who are otherwise not professional musicians or necessarily working musicians, but just farmers, teachers, community members who participate in playing Mbira music as, you know, a way to party, to celebrate the end of the day, to celebrate a good day. It's very special and different from my personal experiences.
I also really loved the drum workshop, getting to learn some of the different Zimbabwean traditional drumming rhythms, and learning marimba. I had never played marimba before, and so being able to play with one of the, turns out, a renowned marimba player in Zimbabwe was actually quite incredible, and that's not something I was expecting. So I will remember that experience for a very long time.
Okay, so my name is Cliff. I had a privilege of witnessing the Mbira Renaissance Band play in Zimbabwe. They played in Harare, and they gave us an electric performance. They played as if they'd played in Zimbabwe before, and they managed to put the crowd on their feet. And another privilege was to travel with them from Harare to Gutu, spending 3 days with the group. What I also really liked about the group is that they managed to integrate well with the community in Gutu. When they went to the free school, they played with the kids, and they also played with the community members. For me, as someone who doesn't know about music, when I saw them play together, it appeared as if these are people who had rehearsed together 20 or 30 times prior to that performance.
Next day was coming. We came over here to the Zinyemba family village in Gutu. It's not too far from Ubuntu Learning Village, where we met my father, who's the chief, as well as my mother, and many other relatives who are here.
We met the chief of this area, Chaka's uncle, which was just an amazing experience to watch all the protocols for greeting and to meet him and to learn about Chaka's family history, and then in the evening to be able to sit in a circle around a fire and listen to and participate in playing traditional music.
What I enjoyed the most about that experience was just sharing our music, sharing the work that we've been doing in Canada, and actually watching my family appreciate that music. And my one brother said that we didn't grow up with Mbira music in this village for one reason or another, and so coming back with Mbira, and I got to pass it around and actually show them, because some of them had never held Mbira before.
Mazi ana mai aya mazi yawana right ndokutodzidzira kwacho pachirungu anonzi maoctave but pachirungu ndokuti mazababa mwana namai. Alright, dzinopindirana.
This is gold, yeah. And how I wish I could learn this. I realized how much this thing is important. I never knew. I thought this was demonic. But now I'm even interested in learning this because I saw some women, kids, playing this instrument here. And I'm super excited to be here, and I've learned so much. And this trip has taught me a lot start, I didn't know about our Zimbabwean culture. I thought I knew, but I didn't know much till I got to this trip.
The last few days have been really, really special. When we play our music in Edmonton, we play it in isolation and we play it as performance, like we play it for people. But we always talk about how Mbira music is made to be sung in community. And at Ubuntu Learning Village and here at the homestead, we had the opportunity to sing our song Mawia with a group of people who, without being prompted, just joined the music and sang along and added their own contributions and started singing their own verses, and it was really beautiful.
Yeah, and now we are Kumusha, and it's good to see goats moving around and just to experience the life here. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.
Gutu ndakasvika naniko, kwamrewa ndakasvika naniko, kawedza ndakagara naniko, chimwenga ndakarwaona niko, chimwenga ndakarwaona joji. Gutu ndakasvika naniko, Gutu ndakasvika najoji, chimwenga ndakarwaona niko, chimwenga ndakarwaona joji.